Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by placing the Xbox near your TV and plugging in power and HDMI. This gives video and audio immediately. Once connected, turn on the console and controller. You do this to establish a hardware link. Next, pair or plug the controller and set initial language and time. These choices affect regional services. Make sure you sign in with a Microsoft account. That enables saves, Game Pass, and social features, so you won't lose progress. You should immediately install system updates to ensure compatibility and security. Updates often fix controller and network bugs. Once done, configure display resolution and HDR so games render correctly, and choose audio output for headphones or TV speakers. This avoids later stuttering. Then manage storage by adding an external SSD if needed and format it for games and apps. Doing so improves load times. Make sure to set auto updates for games so patches download overnight, saving playtime. You now install games from the store or via Game Pass, selecting downloads and enabling background installs so you can play sooner. Once installed, configure privacy and party settings to control voice chat and friend invites. This keeps sessions pleasant. If a game won't launch, restart the console first, then check HDMI, power, and network cables. Many faults are simple. If problems persist, clear local saved data or perform a network refresh. These steps recover corrupted cache without deleting cloud saves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.